Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Observed each year on March 23rd, National Puppy Day celebrates the unconditional love and affection puppies bring to our lives. Puppies are a big responsibility. Be sure to consider everything involved and adopt from a shelter.
Take our lead.
March 23, 2021 National Puppy Day, National Chip and Dip Day, National Ag Day, National Chia Day, National Near Miss Day, American Diabetes Association Alert Day, National Tamale Day, National 3D Day, National Melba Toast Day, National Education and Sharing Day.
Take our lead.
13 states of the United States have designated an official state dog breed. North Carolina chose the Bloodhound as it was the only dog breed indigenous to the state. Other official state dogs also are indigenous to their state, including the Boston Terrier, Massachusetts, and the Alaskan Malamute, Alaska.
Let's help you make your mark.
Most dogs are considered puppies for up to 2 years of age, though puppyish behavior may end sooner or last longer in some breeds. The stages listed below are essential and fairly constant. However, dogs are open to new knowledge and training well beyond the puppy years.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.